Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia T21, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list of toggles, and in here you should find somewhere battery saver. So for me it's right over here. Once you see this toggle, simply tap on it. It brings up a message, turn on battery saver. Battery saver will restrict power consumption activities, background apps, activities, visual effects, gesture, touch sounds, vibration, and etc. automatically to save power. So let's select turn on. And just to be completely honest here, they did actually a pretty nice job of explaining what this mode does. Most of the companies will just be like, oh, cool, you turn on power saving mode? Yep, okay, good. But here you actually get information on how it will affect your usability of the device, which obviously in certain cases might matter, specifically in the aspect where it will change how the device connects to Wi-Fi and mobile data. So it does try to limit that in some way, and that might result in you not getting things like emails and messages from applications right away when they were sent to you. So you might get them like 10 minutes later or something like that. So it's nice to actually know that. Now anyway, once you're done with the power saving mode, I believe you can charge the device and to automatically turn it on. But if you want to turn it all off manually, you can do so by tapping on the toggle. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.